Over the last few weeks, I made tens of thousands of profit trading meme coins, sometimes live in front of you. But now my portfolio is a decent size. What if I started from the right beginning with just $100 and invest every day for just 1 hour into meme coins? I wanted to do the experience, even if the market is on hard mode, to show you that everyone can make it. But can I still make it? Well, we will have the answer in this video. Because I'm tired of everyone on Crypto Trader showing fake performances where they take the bottom and then the highest price and never show the wallet address to prove that they did the transaction, I decided to do it myself and to show you all from the beginning. So this wallet, I started with just $100. You can check all the transactions. I had some Ethereum on it and then I withdrew it. So we have those $100. I will show you exactly the performance. I can even prove that I also put a little bit of money from the previous wallet onto this one. Like this, I was able to trade on Solana. So yes, I trade on Base and Solana, which are the two main blockchains to be able to trade meme coins properly. The process is actually pretty easy and we will go right into our first day. Let's go with our first day of trading where I bought some Fringe Dog, FGD, and some Zippy. I post the video every day on this Instagram so you can see why I invest in everything. As you can see, the token is pretty dead here. And on the same day, I invested into Zippy for 0.02 Ethereum. I made 2 transactions, which is this one was supposed to be the imaginary friend of Trump, which actually after further research was a pretty bad joke. Fringe Dog was having some pump. I thought this one was a good meme. However, the marketing team behind the creators, they did not do anything. And when I mean they did not do anything is that they didn't even bought just the area here on Dex Screener to be able to have the image and advertise it. My process to find those tokens is that I will usually go on Base Trading that will show me all the new pairs created on Base chains. Because yes, by the way, welcome on Handsome Finance, where we study what's happening on chain because the blockchain is an open ledger, so we can see all the transactions, who made money, who lost money, follow the smart money, and make even more money. Forget to pour down your little glass of water and let's get to it. No matcha. That's not a good sign for the trade. What I like with Base Trading is that I will have always the audit to be able to know if there's something dodgy on the tokens. I would go one by one to see what's going on into each of those tokens. I would actually share with you how long it took me every day to trade. I could tell you everything about why I invested in this token or that token. However, I share that a lot on the Instagram. So I think we should more see results here today. And the first day of trading was not really good because we bought our ZP here for 0.01 Ethereum and then we sold it twice. So when I check actually the token P&L on Zippy we made $73. So that was a pretty good one because the website was nice. There was a good community going on. However, it looks dead from the developers. It did die. Like they had a video and everything. They even unplugged the website. This is meme coins, man. This is not for... If you're soft, you can't go into meme coins. You can't. Like emotionally, it's going to be too hard for you. But honestly, what kind of good developers will develop a website on Wix? This is a massive red flag for me. And when I actually saw that it was a fake story, I withdrew. Let's do our second day of trading where I invested into this one, which was pretty special token. And that one, which I could not understand, but it was a big Twitter profile and they had some strange movements on it. So I thought, this is something that could go on. Luckily, I used Base Trading. So on Fringe Dog, when it went up, automatically I had a take profit order. This is why I use Base Trading because I cannot be always on my laptop. And like this, anytime the crypto goes up too much, it takes profit. This is all the transaction. And let's check, we had those 2 that we bought, right? Even with a massive launch like that, which is apparently a meme club on FriendTech, and I could not see the link. I thought, you know what? I'm going to try it. If day 1 was good, we can all agree that day 2 was not very good. Luckily, we had again a swap that went automatically by our Base Trading bot on this token. I'm not going to pronounce it because it could hurt the ad revenue. That's the one that pays for the matcha. And as you can see, we don't have matcha today. So It's not good. Because my girlfriend likes to eat berries, I thought it would be a great idea to invest into this meme coin. As you can see, the French dog did not do so well. The hog, we are at a big loss. This one, luckily, we sold some. Like we bought $24, sold $22, and then the last one I went on that day was Gambler. And I think this one could really change the game. So we bought some berry and we bought some Gambler. Now, before I show you the results, after seeing nothing, I decided to send some money to a Solana wallet. That's where this money arrived. And that's how I started to trade with this one, where I bought this token Gibby. And luckily on that one, I made a really good performance. Bought $16 and sold for $63. So that's $46 profit, which is almost the double of the amount that I sent to that wallet, which was around $50. One way that I will also find those meme coins is with the Investors Boardroom, which has been amazing at spotting great gems on meme coins. If you join it, you will see it by yourself. A lot of wins. I'm not here to share them, but it's been really good profit so far. On day 4, I clearly complained that I could not find anything to invest in. So we still had our positions that were open. We had our Gambler, which is great. And then I decided to invest into Gib. And that's where the thing started, because you saw it, I made really good profit on that one. For those who don't understand why it's important to invest into meme coins, I'm not going to try to spend hours to explain to you, because you are probably a mid-curve person. If you think that meme coins have no utility, yeah, congrats. You made an insane discovery. But let me tell you something. Most of the stock market and everything that you invest in, you don't invest for utility. Like any companies, you invest because there's a lot of attention on it. And meme coin is just a market where you bet on the attention that the joke will get. If you think that the joke will last long, you invest in. If you think that the joke is not good, you don't invest in. Same as the companies. None of the companies have their stock price that matches their earnings. So if we know this, then we know we invest in the attention market. And meme coins are the best utility. By the way, this person who told me that is the same person that was investing in Axie Infinity and of course got completely rugged because it was poorly developed and got hacked. But he was also farming the video game with some Filipinos. It's like, how stupid is that economy? A lot stupider than meme coins. As you may have noticed by now, because I don't want you to make you wait until the end of the video to understand if we win profit or not. Of course, we ended up with a quite good profit, because you may have noticed, but we place different trades. And of course, some are bad, but most of them will do bad. And just a few of them will do really good. And that's what it's important. So we ended up, this is how it is today. Like I took few losses today and yesterday, but otherwise with the $100 at the end of the week, I ended up with $400. So that's $300 profit. You will not see anything like that anywhere else. And you can see the day of profitability. By the way, I use Starling Alpha, which is an amazing website. Starling Alpha, this is developed and incubated by the people in the Investors Boardroom. So gem. You can see my profitability by day. So of course, yesterday not profitable and the other day not profitable. However, we can see what happened on all of them. So Gib, I bought for 0.1, sold 0.127, 39, 210. So that's some pretty good profits here. And then I went into another coin, which is this one on day 6, Indian
I just
Center.
invested into...
And well, I thought it was a great website, really funny, and I get completely jittered. It just went down, it crashed so bad. So I guess there was a lesson in that. So I lost a bit of money on that. Then I went into this coin called Solana with 0.2 Sol. I sold pretty early, and let me show you this one because it's a beautiful one. Okay, isn't it beautifully made as a tool? You know, like I clicked on the button here and it directly linked me to Dex Screener with the wallet in question. It's beautiful. And you can see that I did it a bit too early. I could have made more money. This is quite crazy because, yeah, if I kept it, the 228K at the price of today, it will be amazing. If I didn't sold, we will be today sitting with $3,600. But still, I made $278 minus the buy-in, $244. This is pathetic, but it's still a win. And that is what is important. So why investing into this coin is because I saw that on Pop.fun, it went up straight up. Like the volume was crazy. I did not see any pullbacks when it started to be here. So it's like, there's something strange about this coin. And I saw the social, everything, meme was quite good. I was like, okay, I'm going in. If you want me to do a full video of actually how to make money on Pop.fun, well, just let me know in the comments. If there's a lot of people and people share this video, I will do it. And of course, the Starlane Alpha bot is free. There will be a paid version if you want to have more data and to have the best wallets, because we always scroll the blockchain to find the best wallet to copy. With that Solana, I sold plus 0.22, 0.142, 0.03, 0.700, 0.233, 371. Anyways, you can see it's been printing. And that's the good thing about it. Now, on day 7, I went into this one, Brian, which I thought was a good one, and ended up not being pushed enough. Mr. Base as well, which has an amazing website. Unfortunately, we just got a little bit of it. Luckily, we had our automatic orders, and then automatically we took some profit. We sold some berry, which bring us today with a token PNL of still $108 here on base chain. Token win rate 50%, which is not bad. It's actually pretty good for Memecoins. ZP took a lot of it. Mr. Base, we made a little bit of profit. Berry, we lost a little bit. And Gambler, we will see. We did not sell yet. And same as Hog, it's probably going to die, but it's not worth selling it when we just have $4 in it. While for the other one here on Solana, we had a win rate of 72%. If I did not do some poorly trade, because I feel so good after I did this good trade with Solana, well, we will be at a lot higher win rate. But as you can see, I just spend an hour every day to look at those coins. There's a way. I don't need to prove you that I was spending not more than an hour every day to check those coins, because I was doing some stand-up comedy in Bangkok. I was also posting a video almost every day on the YouTube channel, plus traveling at the same time. But it's just to show you, if you have the right method, you can really do it really easily in a way. It's a simple thing. Now, it's not that easy to execute because most of the people will use it with the wrong tools. On top of the good analysis that you can learn for free on my YouTube channel, I really recommend to have the right tools. That's why I use base trading. This is one of the tools that we built as well with the Investors Boardroom that lets you trade on web. Is coming on Solana, but you can trade on base, you can trade on Ethereum as well, and all the EVMs coming through. But because it's going to trade faster, you have the take profit. You can also do some copy trading, some sniping. Anyways, everything into one. And this is what is important. Without this, I would not have been able to make as much profit, because even if you see that this one continued to go up and I should have kept it, all the other ones, if I did not take profit automatically, I will be probably bankrupt by now. And the best way to be on a 10x or 100x or even more, like it is here, is by being able to stay long in the game. And the only way to stay long in the game is to have oxygen. The oxygen in crypto is your cash. And that's why you should check out this video if you want to understand a bit more the strategy behind it and why it makes me more profitable. It was, anyways, a massive pleasure to do this video with you. If you want to follow this challenge, you know where to go. The thumbs up is appreciated. The sharing is appreciated. But don't forget one thing, and it's not about drinking 5 liters of water per day. It's, of course, just something more important. Is to stay handsome. Ciao.